Hey guys, what's happening? How to change TikTok region, country, or location. Hit profile icon at the bottom right, and hit the three bars at the top right. Press settings and privacy. Inside, you're gonna find account under account, and then if you didn't find the account region here, just hit the account information. Inside, you're gonna find account region, the last option. Press it. You can change it based on time and location. So, yeah, and based on place of registration too. So yeah, you can change it here. Also, you can change it from your own settings in the language and region, right? If you're using iPhone, yeah, you can find it in the general settings. But this often requires you to physically be in the new country for 90 plus days. Otherwise, you will need a VPN to spoof your IP address to the desired location, potentially combined with adjusting your App Store or Google Play region and creating a new account to see local content as the feed adapts to your IP and account location. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.